worrying what I will eat tomorrow, where I will take my panos. You see people are working 10 and 12 and 14 hours and 16 hours. Eventually, what do they have in this? The old day was gone. This day you could enjoy your day, you enjoy your life. When a person works and works and works and works, there's no enjoyment for the money. Days and night and days, no vacation or nothing. You have no satisfaction with the money. This is a person who have no belief in Hashem. When a person believes in Hashem, and he prays to Hashem, and he learns Torah, Torah brings in you such a wisdom that your whole life changes. Never miserable. I will never be sad. I will always be a giver. I will find a person that is sad. I will make him happy. The first one who has you have to make happy. No. First person. Yourself, I'm a happy person. I'm Baruch Hashem. I don't need for nobody. I don't need myself to do. I'm a happy person. So the first, you give your wife, you make happy. The Mohorosh says in Rosh Hashanah, a husband should always make happy the wife. Always she will cry. Always she will cry. How much money you will give her? Tomorrow again. Give him, tomorrow again. Always. But you're not making money. The neighbor makes more. The neighbor has a car. Okay, I will have a car. What else? You have to go in country. Go in country. What else? She always, whatever you do, a woman don't want to hear it. But the opposite is also. There are women who are the luckiest person. They're always happy. Happy is the person who finds such a woman, and she's a Eishes Chayil, and she is the happiest person. You are miserable and she's happy. This is what Miibnael says, Eishes Chayil means, so how you find such a... But the main thing in this world, you should be a happy, good person, always be happy, make other ones happy, and this is a person who gives charity. What's charity? I help different people. You cannot understand the feeling when a person helps others. We made in Eretz Yisrael, we made a Beis HaTavshin. Beis HaTavshin is a kitchen for people. There are plenty of people who want to have food. Here in the United States, you cannot understand it, but believe me, here is more better. Here in the United States, they have more poor people than in different countries. But here is welfare, they give you welfare, you could get food stamps, you could have Medicaid, you have Section 8, but there are countries you don't have it in it. So I made a Beis HaTavshin. I have to bring you, I'm going this next Sunday, will be in Eretz Yisrael, Be'ezras Hashem. I wouldn't be here for the next 2 Sundays, I wouldn't be here. So it will be this year, I will bring in for everybody another brochure I could give you now. It shows you in live, you could see it. See how people are eating. I used to give a lot of stockage for people, money, and eventually the wife and the children felt hungry. I gave you. He goes and buys a car. Buy a car, you know, they can fool you. I have to tell you how you could fool people. Rabbi Yochanan ben Zakkai said, Rabbi Yochanan ben Zakkai was a student of Hillel, said, he told for his student, if I wouldn't tell you how to cheat, believe me, you will say, no, this rabbi don't have to know how to cheat. I will teach you how to cheat. You will say, wow, he's a cheater. He knows to cheat. To cheat, you buy a car, you play around with the miles, and this car was already only 25,000 miles. This His car was already on the road 250,000 miles. And you ride around, it was in a different building, but she wanted to buy a car. So, Pocher here, he was a driver. He said, okay, before he wanted $1,000. Okay, give me the key, I'll go around the block and see how he went half a block. He fooled me. No, he came to me with a chutzpah. You boy bought my car. He bought my car. He said he's a good driver. He sold me a lemon, he sold me. You laughing? I saw when you give a person, I decide, first thing, give for the women and children food. Food, this is the thing, the biggest tzedakah is food. Why? A person could eat one meal. You have a good appetite, take another portion. Well, take a third person. I think after a third person you will throw up. How much could a person eat? So by tzedakah, by money, you could fool me. This person comes, he has a heart surgery, he has people are going around with all kind of stories. And God forbid, he says on his own wife she has cancer and the child has cancer and makes money on his child. And it's every people hear, wow, cancer, wow, you could be treated. Don't think it's a lie. I have many stories like that. Food, you cannot, you will eat or not eat. So this is the greatest story. I made a touch. And Mohorosh, I didn't know how great this mitzvah till I saw it in my eyes. Children are coming with a plate and eating. I have to bring a video, you shall see it. And so this is Mama Shimon. People are coming, they have food to eat. There was a great tzaddik, his name was Mendel von Rimenev. He said Torah 22 years on Parshas Amon. This week's portion in Parshas Beshalach reads about Parshas Amon. Now, in Shulchan Aruch, it says, and Vasiv in Shulchan Aruch, you should say every day Parshas Haked and Parshas Amon. Why you should say Parshas Haked? You should always remind yourself that the Avraham Avinu was ready to bring his son for Hashem, and we have not to be ashamed. All the Yidden are the Prince of Avraham Avinu. We saw millions and millions of Jews went to the guest chamber with the Akedas Yitzchok. And if it's not, I'm not wishing for nobody, but I could tell you one thing, a person has at home a child, and he suffers from this child, this is Akedas Yitzchok. When we mean Akedas Yitzchok, you know, it's Avraham Avinu had a big soil until the 99 years he didn't have children. And then he had a child, and then Hashem told him to bring him back home, and he's ready. So I said, but I'm not Avraham Avinu. You are Avraham Avinu. If you have a problem with one child, with two children, with three children, you're even greater than Avraham Avinu. Avraham Avinu had with his own child Yitzchok, and you have with two, with three, with four. With 7 boys you have problems. And you hold yourself strong, this is Akedas Yitzchok. The Chazon Ish used to say, when a person suffers with a child and is not giving in, you know, but a child could kill you, not wishing for nobody. But